in the event that you desire or need to update your email address for password reset, we're going to show you where to do that at. And we have a place for you. I'm going to go ahead and get logged in here. After we successfully log in, and we are needing to update our email address for password reset. A user can do this, and it's important to know that at the admin level, the admins cannot reset this email address for your password reset. You have to do it. You need to go to the My Profile module. When you select My Profile, you will see several features that you have towards the bottom of the list over on the left side. First of all, changing your password. You can change it here when necessary or you desire to. And you can change your email for password reset on this page. So we'll select that particular section. And we're going to have to go ahead and log in again, or provide our credentials. And select Continue. So this is changing your email address for password reset. And we're going to send that verification code. And we're going to take this Microsoft Outlook, move it over to my other screen here. Like I said, we're going to move that over here. And we're going to go get that verification code that's being sent to the new email address. And we're going to enter it here. And select to verify that code. And when it gets verified, we are going to save that new email address. And in that particular case, we have updated that using the change email for password reset in the My Profile module.